Hey there, I'm Rob Marasco, Senior Director of Culinary Development for Sodexo here in North America. I'm here today in our Culinary Innovation Center outside of Washington, D.C., and I'm with Jackie Craig, our Executive Chef at Howard University. As you may know, Sodexo is very passionate and engaged and innovative around the area of plant-based and plant-forward dining, and one of the big initiatives around that is our Farm to Table initiative, and Jackie at Howard has done a lot of amazing things. I've known Jackie for forever. I don't want to admit how long. She has way too many stories about me, but she's really leading this farm to market and farm to table initiative for us in the DC area. And she did this amazing salad that just screams fresh and fall, and I want her to tell us all about it. So Jackie, tell us about this salad.
Thank you, Rob. It's a pleasure being right here with you, and thank you.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. It's a while. Good to be back in the kitchen with you. So yes, campus chef at Howard University, and we're trying to take the initiative of healthy eating, plant to the plate. And one of the dishes that we have created, it's a nice warm kale salad with sweet potato and freekeh. It also have broccoli, roasted broccoli, candied pecans, and some nice dried cranberries. It's a nice healthy salad. It screams healthiness. This salad can also be vegan or vegetarian. It can be warm, it can be cold. Today we've prepared it today warm. So it has a nice roasted sweet potatoes, and roasting the sweet potatoes bring the nice flavor of sweet potatoes
I can smell them right now. I wish you guys could smell it through the camera. I also love the freekeh that you're using.
Freekeh.
It's
great
amazing.
That you mentioned the freekeh.
If someone doesn't want to have meat, it's amazing because it's an ancient grain that really gives you that protein kick.
It does.
That you don't have to try to figure out how to be a vegan or a vegetarian.
Exactly.
Have some of that.
Yes. This will take some of the protein away that you have, and you want to have that chewiness with chicken or chewiness with turkey or beef. This is going to give you that. It's going to give you that nice hearty nut flavor, chewiness, and it just makes the salad pop. So yes, Rob, that's a great addition.
I love that choice.
So this is a salad that students can prepare in their dorm. It's easy. The whole salad together with even roasting the sweet potatoes and cooking the freekeh takes no more than 45 minutes. Quick fix for the students to make a salad. Get your nice big bowl of salad and sit down and get ready to do your studying. This is a wonderful salad for that.